Good afternoon. We are going to unbox. Mag-unbox na po ta kay nakoy gipalit na seeds from Batanes Palawan seed. Itong i-unbox. Flash Express. This is it. Na daghan din siya seeds ning tree. Na siya tree. It's a tree. Talisay fertilizer. Na siya fertilizer. Na siya libre nga fertilizer. This is our seeds. This is African Talisay. Ano siya? Dagko din siya. Welcome to your planting journey. African Talisay. Small to medium tree, 10 to 20 meters height. Crowned, arranged in layered tiers. Bark smooth, mottled pale gray with protruding brownish lenticels, streaks or spots. Leaves slightly glossy green, spatulate and even to crenate margins. Flowers small, greenish, no petals, clustered along erect inflorescence spikes up to 5 cm long. Fruit smooth, wingless drupes, green when unripe, suitable as ornamental tree along streets or in parks, due to formal neat appearance, especially majestic if planted in masses, fast growing on good sites. This is African Talisay seeds. And instruction sa pagtatanim ng African Talisay seeds. Ito yung instructions niya. And how to cultivate African Talisay seeds and how to fertilize, how to use fertilizers. This is our unboxing of African Talisay. Money and seeds. And we will see in the future when ako na siya ipa-germinate. See you next time. Bye-bye!